Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy recipe that you can make in your dorm, and that's the 1-minute microwave quiche in a mug. You're going to need 1 egg, milk, melted unsalted butter, salt and pepper to taste, 4 small grape tomatoes, a fresh piece of bread, grated cheese, and fresh or dry herbs. You are also going to need a cutting board, a knife, a mug, and some measuring cups. Alright, let's get cooking. First, you're going to crack your egg into your mug. Make sure you set that aside and wash your hands. You're going to add your melted butter, your 1.5 tablespoons of milk, however much salt and pepper you like. I'm a pepper girl, so I went a little heavy on that. And here is your final mixture, which you're going to whisk in the mug. You are then going to add your bread, which you're going to tear into little pieces, your 4 tomatoes, which you're going to cut into halves, and your fresh herbs. I chose green onions. Make sure that you wash both your tomatoes and your green onions, or whatever herb you choose, thoroughly. And then finally, you're going to add your grated cheese. I used a Mexican style and it tasted really good. So this is your final product. You're going to gently mix it inside of the mug. Stick it in the microwave and microwave on high for 1 minute or until the egg is completely cooked and the quiche is slightly puffy. After that, you're going to gently put it onto a plate and add any toppings you would like. I went for a little more green onions. And enjoy!